everybody, it's Michelle and it's my birthday, so I wanted to do some punch art birthday candles to share with you guys. These are so much fun and so easy. You guys know I'm all about easy when it comes to punch art. I love to take simple shapes and just put them together to create something new. So for my birthday candles, I'm using the middle size here of my straight slider dies from Mama Elephant. And I really love these for the simple shape that they give. They're intended to create a slider element on interactive cards, but I really love just using them for that simple shape. If you don't have these or the word window punch, the word window punch is a punch from Stampin' Up! That gives this smallest shape here, and that's what I originally was on the hunt for when I found these, and I'm so much happier to have them in the 3 different sizes. So you can use the word window punch, you can use the straight slider dies, or you can just simply cut a strip about 1/4 inch wide using your paper trimmer or even scissors. And for my flame, I was really happy to find this Fiskars punch with 3 different leaf shapes on there. And that simple leaf shape there with just a touch of stem on it makes the perfect wick and flame for my birthday candles. You can use any simple leaf shape that you may have in punches or dies. I've got this unbranded die set here of trees and sort of a forest scene that has a leaf option there that you can add to the trees, and I think that would be a really good flame as well. Or you could use raindrop dies. This little gold set here is clouds and raindrops, and you could use that. However, you would have to figure out something else for the wick. Just whatever you've got on hand. I really, really love this Fiskars punch, so I'm going to be using that. So I've got a whole bunch of my straight slider die cuts here, and I cut those in pattern papers that I thought would really represent birthday candles. I love diagonal stripes, and even if you just have a straight stripe, just lay your die diagonally on your paper so that you'll get that diagonal stripe on your die cut in the finished piece. And I've got lots and lots of birthday candles. However, not quite enough. I'm much older than this, but we're just going to stop here because I don't know if I could cut that many. Okay, so it looks like I've got about 15 more that I don't have flames for. And whenever possible, I like to just put the corner of my paper down in there so that I'm not cutting a bunch that I'm not going to use. But I love punches that really do multiple shapes here. So I'm going to continue, and then I can just put my other shapes into the negative space here that I've already cut. So I'm not cutting too much that I'm not going to use. I don't want a whole lot of waste. And I've just punched those out of a gold glitter cardstock, so they've already got sort of that flamey look. I love to use patterned papers or textured papers or glitter papers that sort of work in the favor of what I'm already trying to represent. That way I let the paper do a lot of the work for me. And I'm just going to lay these out on a scrap piece of black cardstock here. And I'm going to use a marker to color the wick part or the stem of the leaf black, so that can be my candle wick. And it's just super simple. I'm using a Copic number 100. You can use a Sharpie marker or whatever else you've got. Okay, I know you can't see the wick part very good on that black cardstock, But there that is, and you can see it makes the perfect little wick. If you wanted to, you could also go ahead and color in the center of the flame area with an orange or a red or something like that. Or you could take some of those smaller raindrops. I've got some of those that I cut out with an orangey glitter paper, and you could just place that right in the center of some of those if you want to do that. And I think that gives a really cute little flame look as well. So you can put that into a few of those if you like, or even all of them. Just play around and see how you want your flame to look. And then we're just going to put the tiniest little dot of glue onto the very end of that wick and place it behind our candle. Scrape away that excess glue, but it will dry clear. And then just continue to do that for all of those. And you've got your birthday candles. Super simple and easy. And just a little dot in the center, wherever you decide to add one of those orange centers. Sometimes it can make it a little easier if you want to turn it over to the back side and put your dot of glue on the back of the candle. That little wick is so small that sometimes you really don't have much to stick to there. So on the back side of the candle, you've got a little more room to maybe put some excess glue there. Just leave it upside down while it dries so that you don't stick it to your work surface. So just have fun creating tons of these birthday candles for a birthday card or a birthday scrapbook spread or anything that you want to use them for. Okay, so here are all my candles, and I'm just going to add maybe that little orange raindrop shape to the center of a few more. I think I like having it in some, but not all of them. I think I'll put it on both of these. And I just realized a moment ago that I made 16 candles, so that's what we're going with. I'm 16. That was a good age, so we'll stick with that. Okay, so I think that is really, really cute, you guys. I hope that you like them. I think these would be the perfect size to just put a little strip of the EK Tools foam adhesive strips. That way you could pop some of them up in front of others and give them a little bit of dimension on your card or your scrapbook page or whatever you're using them on. But I just wanted to share my birthday with you guys and share some of these cute little candles. I think they're adorable. Let me know if you liked them, and also be sure to let me know if you've used other shapes to create birthday candles. It's always fun to know what other shapes you can use and what everyone out there is doing. So be sure to leave me a comment and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.